Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're ready to finally get organized with getting things done and want a workspace that's both efficient and good-looking, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through building a professional GTD dashboard inside Notion using a powerful free template, no design skills needed. By the end of this video, you'll have a streamlined productivity hub that's quick to set up, easy to personalize, and ready to help you take control of your tasks and projects starting today. Let's jump right in. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to make life easier by using a free GTD dashboard template. This is a huge time saver because these templates are designed by productivity pros and always have a polished, cohesive look, perfect for those of us who want to focus on our tasks, not just fiddling around with layouts. First, head to the top left corner inside your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down arrow, give that a click. This opens up the main menu where more options are tucked away. From here, look for the Browse Templates option. Go ahead and select that. Now in the search bar, type in GTD Dashboard. You'll see several results pop up depending on what's available and maybe even a few different style options. Take a moment to explore. There can be differences in layout, color scheme, or included databases. Pick the one that speaks to you or matches your workflow style. If you're not quite sure, don't stress. You can always switch later or further customize the template down the line. Once you've found your favorite, simply select it, then hit the Add or Use this template button. At this point, Notion will automatically import the whole dashboard into your workspace. This may take a few moments if the template has a lot of content, so hang tight. Now comes the part where you make this dashboard your own. Start by adding your credentials. That might just mean changing out placeholder names and sections so that the dashboard reflects your current projects and areas of responsibility. For example, if there's a project database, swap out demo projects for your real ones. If there are sections called Inbox or Next Actions, start adding just a couple of your actual to-dos. This simple step instantly makes everything feel more relevant and sparks that motivation to get started. Next, let's talk about customization. The beauty of Notion is that you can tailor every part of the template. Change up the icons, tweak the page covers, or add extra databases for things like meeting notes or a reading list, whatever helps support your unique workflow. If you're a more visual person, maybe swap in some custom headers or a splash of color to help important lists stand out. And don't worry if everything doesn't look perfect right away. Personalization is an ongoing process, and you can keep tuning the dashboard as you discover what works best for you. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to create a beautiful, professional-looking GTD dashboard in Notion using a free template. By leveraging the template, you've skipped hours of setup so you can invest your energy where it matters, actually getting things done. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tutorials. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new productivity tip. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.